guys, hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. I got a mystery box here, and yeah, if you read from the title, it's from Macari. The girl that sold it to me, she doesn't have a Macari page anymore. She switched from Macari and Poshmark to Depop. Everybody's been doing that lately. I don't know, but I do sell mystery boxes on my Macari still, so I will link that down below. Also, my lashes, like, it's a little wonky because I had it on all day, but I really like these lashes. I really don't feel them. They're not too long to put on my glasses. I'm about to put my glasses on right a few minutes right now. Let me put my glasses on. So I don't feel them on my like lens or anything. Like, they're perfect size. They're not too big. They give space so you can see what's on my eyes, and if you want to know what's on my eyes, it will be linked down below. It's one of the Huda Beauty palettes. Everything on my face will be linked down below, but let's get into this mystery box. All these products are from Beautylish. She told me that, again, with Macari, you can message the seller and before you purchase. She also said it's a guaranteed eyeshadow palette in there. So let's just open this up. I already cut the tape. She was selling this for 50 bucks because it has a retail value of over 100 bucks, and she said it's basically half of what you bought, but what I got it for was 27 bucks, you know, 25 but plus tax. Yeah, with Macari you could also bargain to get it cheaper. Anyways, it comes with the whole Beautylish setup, and she individually wrapped everything. So the first item I feel is a lipstick. It's one of the family collections. I'm so sad that they're not a family anymore, but it is what it is. Me and my bae, we were trying to start a family. Me and my ex-bae, hold up. Me and my ex-fiance was trying to start a family. It didn't work, so I understand, but it's in Delicious. Like, I actually wanted this shade. Out of the whole family collection, this is the one I wanted. Wow. This is the shade. You could tell that it's been sitting for a while. It hasn't been used because you could still see the clear, but you could tell that it's been sitting for a while. I mean, it is limited edition, and if you got it from Beautylish, it's definitely been sitting in their stock for a minute. Nothing a good stir can't do. And there it is, stirred. Perfect, brand new. The next thing I'm feeling is like a box of some sort. I got the Natasha Denona Duochrome top coat. I saw this in BoxyCharm Premium. Everybody was getting these, and well, not everybody. Either you got this or a Natasha Denona matte shadow, or rude, or that's my heater. Or you got a Lolita shadow. Anyways, I wanted this. This is in the shade. It is the one I wanted. It's the burnt terracotta green. This is, you guys know I love green duochromes. You guys know I love duochromes. What? If you haven't seen it before, this is what it looks like, and it comes in like a clear container. So those two together is like some $40 something. So I'm getting my money's worth. Another lipstick probably. So this is a controversial collection. It's in the shade Daddy. This is actually one of the shades that I actually wanted from their whole line. And also, I think it was Mars or Venus or Neptune or whatever that highlighter was. I wanted that one, but I'm glad I got this shade. So yeah, another like 20 bucks added. So like 60, I guess. I don't know. I'll have everything linked down below, the prices and the total. Again, it doesn't look like it's used, but it's been sitting there for a while. So this is what it looks like now, and I also mixed it with my brown lipstick that I had on before, and I like this color. I like it a lot. Okay, the last item is the palette. She did say it was only 4 items, so the way it's packaged is probably either a Charlotte Tilbury or a Jouer or a Anastasia palette, if I'm thinking stuff that's on Beautylish, you know? Oh my gosh. I got the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills freaking collab palette. Oh my gosh, I got this. I wasn't picking it up because I thought I was gonna get it in my regular Beautylish lucky bag, but oh my gosh, I got it. I got it in this one. Oh my gosh. Here's what it looks like. And here are the shades. It's just a gorgeous palette. Was I gonna spend my money on it? No, because I have some of these shades, but like sponsored, lituation, dollars, trust issues are like some unique shades. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Hope you give this video a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. These planes. I really like my box. This mystery box was a banger, better than the regular Beautylish Lucky Bag. No tea, no shade. No, a lot of tea. A lot of shade. But I really like this box. Probably will do another Macari unboxing of a mystery box. I really like this. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day and bye.